when you come, set your saw. So when you reach, you know, you got your hands here. You gotta reach down, take your time, start your saw nice and level. See, when you come up, you're right on the wood. Straight down. Don't move your legs. But you want to have here. You want to have here. It feels weird. It feels like you're reaching back, but you're watch. You're coming. You're right there on the wood. When you reach, you're on the wood. You reach, you're on the wood. You know, you're bringing up. You're not doing this number.
Pulling on the way out.
Yeah, you're pulling. You're slowly coming over. It's all reaction. And when you set your saw down, after you warm it up, make sure it's right there again. Don't move your legs.
Basically right even where you're
Yeah.
going to be cut.
You know, if you got to adjust your saw to know where your heel is, you know, this does feel weird, but you know what? You cold, you're right there.
Yeah.
The fastest
Way to do it. Keep your legs on your saw. So when you come, you know,
Yeah,
I'm not right into it right now, but you know, you want to be up. So when you're coming up, when you come up, you're reaching down, you're reaching straight up. Straight up. You don't want to be moving your leg as you're cutting, because a lot of guys that do this number will cut and then they'll bring their leg up and shit. It takes too much time.
Wobbling all over
always
your cut too.
You're always cutting time.
Right.
So you don't have
The
to
minute your
worry
hands
about
leave-
being on this side and going right. It's unnatural. You're used to this side versus obviously going that way.
But if I cut on that end, I just stand on that side.
Gotcha. So you
Oh,
keep
really?
it the same.
Yeah. Yeah,
Just
there'd be two
everything's the
stands,
same.
but when you cut, you want to get in motion, so you're automatically, you know, you're right there. But you want to do all your practicing at home where you know where your saw is. See, that's where you want to be, right there. It does feel weird, a little off, you know what I mean, but it's not. And if you got to adjust yourself to come back a little bit, you know, like if I got to adjust, I'll move around on the wood quite a bit until, see, there I am now. Now I'm more comfortable. But to see, my feet are in the same spot on the saw, just I position myself back, you know. There you go.
Is this a regulation height?
20 inches is usually the bottom. It's the safest. It's a safety thing. You take any more than that and guys start getting unsafe like